Students, this is the Digital Knowledge Irshad Academy with a fresh video of laws of Boolean Algebra. We are now going to study identity law, which is the fifth law of Boolean Algebra, and it again has two parts: addition and multiplication. We are first going to discuss law of addition. This is the OR gate, truth table, and circuit to represent the OR function. Now this switch is B and it is open. As we know, open switch is represents logic 0, therefore this is 0, this is B, and it is 0 and 0. This is switch A, open condition indicates 0. This is A, this is output X, this is output X. When in this condition, when the switch A is open, there is no current flowing through switch B or through switch A. Why? Because it is open. Therefore, when A is open, this is 0, 0 plus 0, the output is 0. When switch A is closed, mean it is 1. Now the current can flow through switch A and light the lamp. And when it is 1 here, first it was 0, now it is 1 here. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And see that whatever is variable A, the same is the output, or we can say this is almost A. When A is 0, the output is 0. When A is 1, the output is 1. Therefore, we say that we can conclude that when a variable is odd with 0, the output is always a variable. This is a 0 and it is being odd with A. When A is 0, the output is 0. When A is 1, the output 0 plus 1 is 1. Or we can say whatever is variable, the same is the output. Or we can say that this is the A is reflected here, and we can conclude that when a variable is odd with 0, output is variable. This is the law and you have to remember this. The second is the multiplication. In this condition, the switches are in series, the switches are in parallel. This is switch B and it is open, is closed, CLOS, closed, and we can close this. Close switch is nothing but 1. This is 1. B is closed. It is 1 here. It is 1 here. Switch A. This is switch A. Let us see that when switch A is open, mean is 0. 0 ended 1. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. It's A. This is X. This is X. When this is 1, 1 multiplied by 1, output is 1 multiplied by 1 is output is 1. And this time also see that whatever is the variable A, same is the output x, or we can say it is a reflection of A. We can conclude that when a variable A is multiplied ANDed with 1, the output is a variable A. This has to be remembered. This is law of multiplication. Variable multiplied by 1 is a variable. First law of addition is variable. Odd with 0 equals variable. Now when A is closed, this is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Whatever is the variable, same we are getting in the output, or we can say output is a reflection of a variable. Going to the summary points. Laws of Boolean algebra: identity law, addition, definition, variable odd with 0 always equals the variable. Variable odd with 0 always equals the variable. Can be represented by two switches in parallel. The B switch is open. Open switch represents 0. This is 0 here. When A is open, it is 0 here. 0 odd 0. 0 odd 0 is 0. And when the switch is closed, it is 1. It is 1 here. 1 odd 0 is 1. So whatever is the variable, same is the output, or we can say this almost is A. This is A 0 1. This is A 0 1, or we can say when variable A is odd with 0, the output is 0. Second is the multiplication. Two switches in series, B is permanently closed and closed switch represents 1. This is 1. A is open in this case. A is 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. When A is 0, it is multiplied by 1. The output is 0. Why? Because when switch A is open, there is no current flowing. Although B is closed, current finds open path here. When the switch A is open, there is no current flowing, then the lamp does not light. In the second case, when the switch A is closed, here the switch A is closed. Closed mean one position. Logic 1, closed position. 1 into 1 is 1. And when it is 1 here, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And we can say that the output X is almost the reflection of A variable. If A is 0, output is 0. If A is 1, output is 1. And we can conclude the variable A ANDed with 1 equals variable. These two must be remembered. A odd 0 equals variable. A ANDed 1 equals the variable. This is the identity law of Boolean algebra. In the next video, we'll study absorption law. That's all. Thank you very much.